What you have here is an indefinite integral. You know it's an indefinite integral because you will have an integral symbol without any bounds on it. You don't have any numbers at the top or the bottom. So this is the indefinite integral of 9 over x dx. So that integral symbol is just saying take the antiderivative of this stuff, and then the dx is just telling us what variable we care about. So as we go through this, all we're really focusing in on is the equation in the middle, and everything else is really just directions. This specific problem is what I refer to as a special case antiderivative. So special cases are things that you just have to have memorized. There's no way you're going to get them by just doing a specific rule. You just have to have them memorized and be able to identify. When you were doing derivatives, the examples of special cases in my head are sine, derivative of cosine. Any of those trig functions you had to have memorized. Logs, natural logs, all of the things you had to memorize, all of those, now you've got to go back the other direction with them. So now you have to memorize the antiderivative of all of those. So what we're looking at here is a special case, and that fits into that family. We're looking at the special case of whenever you have a number over x to the first. This is only when it's x to the first. Everything else would not fall into this category. This came from the natural log. So the antiderivative of this is whatever that number is on top times the natural log of the absolute value of x plus c. So memorize this with the absolute value in it, because I tell you what, that is the strict definition of it. Some teachers let you get away with not putting the absolute value bars on it. I will tell you this, you run into danger at that point. So if you put the absolute value bars on, you're never wrong. If you drop them, guess what? Sometimes you're wrong. So we come through this and we follow our rule. The a value, the number up on top, is going to be 9. So what we're going to end up with is 9 times, and then this is x to the first, so this fits our natural log. So natural log, oops, I almost dropped the absolute value. So of the absolute value of x, and then when we're dealing with indefinite integrals, we always put that plus c. That plus c represents that there could have been a constant at the end of this problem. We don't really know because the derivative of any constant would have been 0. And that's why we refer to this as a family of solutions. So the answer to this problem, this indefinite integral problem, is 9 natural log of the absolute value of x plus c. Thanks for watching my video. If you liked it, please click that like button and subscribe. And also share it with your friends and anyone else you know who might be crying about an upcoming AP Calc test. You can find more videos from me, more sample AP Calc questions, and my complete AP Calc study guide over at my website, apcalcprep.com. Have a great one.